If you want to be a successful commercial entertainer, click on the link below. Dooney's Coaching Secrets will help you. And my individual one-on-one sessions start at only $300, and it's a money-back guarantee. So if you're not happy with it, I'll give you your money back. So I didn't invent this one, but I make a lot of Ladybug bracelets for girls. And, obviously boys too, but girls are the prime target, right? One ball, a 6-ball circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's actually 7 balls because the first ball is going to be the head. When I twist that off, it makes a head. That'll be the head. Now, this is going to be like a parrot body, like a push-through maneuver. But I want to just measure this to where it's right about the same length as this circle, right? And what I'm going to do is let some of the air out. Use my little cutter, let the air out, just like this. And I'm going to tie a knot here, all right? So now I'm going to wrap this around. So you notice how 2, 4, 6, the middle of that is right there. I'm going to wrap this around into the middle of that 6, just like that. And I'm going to put it through 2 or 3 times and 2 or 3 directions. So I went through over this time, and then I went through that way. So it's kind of tied off nicely. And then the last thing I do is I bring that up between the bubbles, and I wrap it around the head once. And I'll have to tie this in a knot. I'll have to do it in double tie or it won't stay. As soon as you do a double tie, now it'll stay there. Just like this. All right. I'm going to do a quick version. Just put eyes on it. I usually give ladybugs long eyelashes because they're ladies. Give her a fun smile because she's a bug. Line. Circle, 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 circle. Spots on the back. And what happens is this becomes a ladybug. You open this up, and this becomes a ladybug bracelet that fits on their arm. Just like this. Great for outdoor backyard because they're not dropping them. They're not putting them down. Ladybug bracelet.